Okay, now let's try something neat. Let's say uh, what is called as mm, not this, what's called as nested structures. Okay, so let's uh, uh, let's look at the student. Okay, I don't want to overwrite the previous one, so let me save it as a different file name. Let's name it as uh, nested nested struct. Okay. Now uh, many times what happens is that a data member of a structure itself may be a combination of multiple pieces of information, right? Say for example, let's say we want to have one more data member. Let's say date of um, let's say date let's say date of admission. Okay, so it's a date. Now why I have made it as a data type is primarily because I want to have it as a structure, right? So I will define a structure called date, which will have these three data members. So you will have a int day number, int month, and int year. Okay, so these are the three data members for date. So when we talk of date of admission, we are talking in terms of a variable of type date, which is a structure. Okay, similarly, what we could also do is name. We can create a separate structure called name, and in that we could have, say, name. Okay, structure name, right? uh, and this name can be made up of three parts. What are they? Let's say um, character, right? First name, right? First name, let us say that is we need to have some limit, so I'll give it as 10. Okay, char middle name, again 10, and char last name, right? So again let's say 10. So what will I do here? What I'll do here is I will say name, and I'll just say student name. Okay. Okay. Now this semicolon has to be there, and this semicolon has to be there. Okay. Now here, instead of getting getLine st.name, what I have to do is I have to say st dot, first of all, have I okay, st st student st. Yes, I have. So what I'll do is st dot name dot st dot name dot and I'll say first. Okay. uh, mm, okay, and what I can do is copy and paste and paste, right? And here I will say first, second, and sorry, not second, middle, and last name. Okay, and because the user will not know what he is entering specifically, so what we'll do is we'll put a end line here, and here we will say cout uh, first name. Okay, and then we will say cout middle name. Okay, and here we will say last name. Okay, and then comes okay, we need to add one more, this one, that is cout enter the date of admission. Okay, date of admission, cin, and this would be now what will it be? It will be st dot what is the name here given? Date of admission. So date of admission dot what will it be? Day number. Yes, day number. Okay, and similarly I have to copy, paste, and then again paste. Okay, and in each case it will be month, no number, and year. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Errors, name is not a member of student. Where is that? Name is not a member of student. Okay, student name I have made it as. Okay, student name. Okay, student name. Okay, student name. Okay, and student name. Now let's see whether it works or not. Day number is not a member of date. What is it? Okay, no capital day number. Okay, name is not a member of student. Okay, student name. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, illegal structure operation. Okay, student name dot okay, while displaying it we need to okay, student name first, then st dot student name dot middle, and then st dot student name dot last, and in between them there has to be a gap, so we'll put a space there. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, first name Murugan Kashyap Murugan Kashyap let's say N. Okay, enter the date of admission, so let's say 20th June, let's say 2016 or 2016. Enter the combination CBZ. Okay, right now what's happening? Enter the percentage of the student. I didn't enter the percentage. Combination. Okay, register number, name. See, name it is displaying properly, Murugan Kashyap N. Percentage, I don't know why it is, okay, some junk it is displaying. Okay, so we need to figure out what the problem is. So here, date of admission, day number, month and year, seen, then here we need to go to the next line. Okay, enter the combination of the student, enter the register number of the student, enter the percentage of the student. This should come. Okay, first name, let's say V, middle name K, last name S. Okay, enter the date of admission. So let's say 26 and 16. CBZ. Okay. Enter the combination of the student, enter the register number of the. Okay. It's taking some junk. Okay, so here there is something missing. Scene.getLine st.combination. st.combination. Okay, all this is fine. st.combination. Let's give it as, let's make it as single, this one, so that on the same line we can put it. Okay, now let's run this. Let's see. K V S T. Okay, date of admission 20/06 and 16. Okay, enter the combination of student, enter the register number of the student. CBC. Okay, there is some problem here. Enter the combination of the student, getLine, scene.getLine st.combination, and then register number of the student. Let's okay, first of all let's clear the screen so that it's clear what we are doing. CLR SCR. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take this up. Okay, let's cut this and let's take it here and see what happens. Edit, paste, and let's run this. Okay, V S T combination CBZ, register number 2345, enter the date of admission 20 10 and 16, percentage of the student 65, 2345 VST CPZ 65%. Okay, but display of date is not there, so we need to display the date as well. Okay, registration number, C out, date of registration. Okay, now the problem is we'll have to push everything. Okay, now this st dot what is the variable name, date of admission dot day number. Okay, and then we have to put a slash. Okay, and then st dot date of admission dot month, and again we need to put a slash, and then st dot date of admission dot year. Now let's run this. Okay, VSP. Okay, combination CBZ. Okay, register number 493, date of admission 20/06 or 2016. Okay, enter the percentage, so 765. Okay, so date of registration 26/2016. Name should go to the next line. So otherwise it's perfect. So which means that here after this I have to send a end line. Let's run this one last time. VST. Okay, CVZ something 2348 06 2016 percentage 79. Okay, so it's coming perfectly. Percent. Great. Okay, so now we have seen how we can utilize uh, nested structures to completely describe an entity like student, right? Okay, so let's save this and let's close this and let's quit.